going on, everybody? John here with Bearded Outdoorsman Chronicles, and I figured I would bring you a quick tip again before I head out for my evening hunt here. I'm getting ready to go do a little saddle hunting. So, it's pretty hot out today. I'll be going out, picking out a new tree, climbing up in, and I just want to talk a little bit about what I see a lot of people doing when they are going out and picking a tree and getting up in it for the first time, or maybe it's a return to the same tree that they've been hunting. So take a look at this white oak. Say, I want to saddle hunt out of this tree tonight. A common mistake that I see a lot of people doing is they'll walk up to this tree and start picking out all the leaves. This gives you a nice quiet place to get your setup or breakdown. I like a nice little staging area where you can be quiet and not crunch the leaves. So one big issue I see with doing this in archery season especially is, how do deer primarily communicate with each other non-verbally? Through scrapes. You can kind of look at the forest floor, the leaf litter, as the carpet in your house. If somebody goes around and rips up carpet in your house, you want to walk over there and check it out and see what's going on. So the issue I've ran into in the past is from kicking this spot out prior to climbing in my tree. I've had deer pick out this bare spot on the ground and come over to check it out and be directly underneath me in a tree, and it altered them from using the trail that they were originally going to use. So that kind of prevented me from getting a shot at that deer. Just a simple thing that it seems like a good idea in theory, and if you were ground hunting, I would say absolutely clear this spot out. That way you have a little bit more stealth and slight movements you're going to have to make to get on your deer. But when you're hunting out of the tree, try not to clear the leaves out from underneath it, because there's a good chance that that deer is going to zone right in on that and be right underneath you, which all of us archery hunters know this is less than ideal. Thanks for watching. Like I said, I always learn these the hard way, so hopefully I can save you from making the same mistakes. Shoot straight.